Hello, welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about the top 5 exercises to build your lower chest. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. The pectoral muscles, which people often refer to as the pecs, define the shape and appearance of the chest. They also control several arm movements, including flexing and rotating the arm and bringing it in toward the body's midline. 2 muscles form the pecs. The pectoralis major is a fan-shaped muscle that spans from the chest bone and clavicle to the upper arm bone. The pectoralis minor lies underneath the pectoralis major and runs from the rib bones to the scapula in a triangular shape. To build up the pecs, people can do exercises that work the entire chest area. It is important to target specific areas of the chest by using the exercises we are to be sharing with you in this video. So, stay tuned with us. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Number 5. Incline push-up. Push-ups are a great multifunctional exercise because they work the entire upper body and back. Performing push-ups at an incline will put more focus on the lower chest. Equipment: a flat workout bench, jump box, or step platform. Stand in front of the bench. Place the hands shoulder width apart on the edge of the bench. Adopt a plank position by extending the legs backward until the legs and back form a straight line. Keep the weight on the balls of the feet. Slowly bend the arms to lower the chest toward the bench. Remember to keep the elbows and arms close to the body. Slowly push the body away from the bench, extending the arms but maintaining a slight bend in the elbow. Perform 8 to 12 reps for 1 set. Number 4. The barbell bench press. Without a doubt, this is the king of all lower pec builders and is likely a part of nearly everyone's weekly chest routine. It was the cornerstone movement for such legends as Arnold Schwarzenegger, Lou Ferrigno, Franco Columbu, and many more. Done correctly, the bench press will add slabs of mass to not only the lower chest but also the pectorals in their entirety. Make sure your torso is in the correct position throughout every rep of each set. Begin by planting your feet firmly on the floor. Put a slight arch in the lower back and raise the rib cage up high. Shrug the shoulders down and back into the bench. Lower the bar with control to about the level of your nipples. Number 3. Decline dumbbell press. The instructions for this exercise call for dumbbells, but people can use a barbell instead. Using a barbell will allow people to lift heavier weights for fewer reps, but dumbbells allow a greater range of motion, which may be a better option for people who want to target their lower chest. The equipment you need is 2 dumbbells or 1 barbell, 1 decline bench. To do this exercise, you should set the decline bench at a 45-degree angle, and lie down on it with 1 dumbbell in each hand. Rest the dumbbells on the thighs with the palms facing inward. Remember to keep the back flat. Raise the dumbbells over the chest, extending the arms toward the ceiling. The hands should remain facing inward. Hold the dumbbells shoulder width apart and rotate the wrists until the palms are facing away. To begin, bend the arms to form a 90-degree angle at the elbow. The dumbbells should be on the outer edges of the chest. Inhale. On the exhale, use the chest muscles to push the dumbbells up. Squeeze at the top of the lift and hold for 1 to 2 seconds. Slowly lower the dumbbells to return to the starting position. Do 8 to 12 reps for 1 set. Rest in between sets. Number 2. Parallel bar dips. Parallel bar dips activate multiple muscle groups in the chest, arms, shoulders, and back. During this exercise, remember to lean slightly forward on the dip to engage the muscles in the lower chest. The equipment you need is just a set of parallel bars. To do this exercise, you should grip the bars, using the arms to push the body up above them. Slowly inhale while bending the arms and leaning the torso forward. Continue lowering the body until there is a slight stretching sensation in the chest. On the exhale, lift the body back up above the bars. Repeat as many reps as possible without overexerting the muscles. Parallel bar dips require a significant amount of upper body strength. People who do not feel comfortable performing a complete chest dip can try the variation below instead. Parallel bar dip has many variations. You can also grip the bars and jump up, so the arms are straight, and the body is above the bars. Slowly lower down by bending the arms and leaning forward. Continue until there is a slight stretching sensation in the chest. Instead of lifting the body back up, carefully place the feet on the floor and let go of the bars. Repeat as many reps as possible without overexerting the muscles. Focus on building strength and expanding the range of motion in the upper body before trying to perform a full chest dip. Number 1. Cable crossover. Cable machines offer a wide range of exercise options depending on the position of the pulleys. Setting the pulleys higher will put more emphasis on the lower chest, while setting them lower emphasizes the upper chest. The cable crossover works the muscles in both the lower and outer parts of the chest. To do this exercise, you should position the pulleys above the head. Attach one handle to each pulley and then select the desired weight. Take one handle in each hand with the palms facing down. Stand in the middle of the cable machine and take a few steps forward to put a little tension on the cables. Step 1 foot forward. Lean forward. Extend the arms out to the side but keep a slight bend in the elbows. Do not let the elbows move behind the shoulders. On the exhale, bring the hands together in front of the body. Return to the starting position by slowly extending the arms and inhaling. Do 8 to 12 reps per set, and rest in between sets. The exercises above will work the lower chest when a person performs them correctly. It is best to add these exercises to a full body strength training routine to achieve a well-balanced physique. Individuals trying these exercises should remember to focus on executing each movement with proper form and technique. People can avoid injuries by not rushing through sets and by avoiding using weights that are too heavy. It is important to avoid training the same muscle groups multiple days in a row because muscles need time to recover after a hard workout. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.